This is Craft Room Crash, and I'm outside Kathy Cano-Murillo's house. Now, she's also known as the Crafty Chica, and she considers her style Mexi boho with a lot of sparkles. So let's go crash her craft room and find out what Kathy is making today. Hey, Kathy!
Hi, Jane! Oh my gosh, are you ready to get your craft on?
I am ready, Crafty Chica!
Oh my God, let's go!
Oh, look at it, it's so bright and beautiful and so much fun. It's really spacious.
Hi, I'm Kathy Cano-Murillo, the Crafty Chica. I make a living sprinkling glitter and gluing things.
There is a lot to take in this room. Do you just put everything up, or is this something that like kind of motivates
rotates.
you?
It always rotates. I would say my specialty in crafting is putting things together. It's just the art of contrast.
So you have all of your like craft room addictions in here, I would say.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's like the fine china. You know how it used, your mom would say, don't use it. Well, I'm like, let's use it. Let's use it every day. I like to think of it as Mexi boho style. And it's a combination of everything of my heritage, of my life, of things that I love. They're just all mishmashed together into a fun bohemian style. And then I love the Mexi style because Mexican style is glitzy, over the top, so extra. So this is the hot mess section.
Oh,
here.
Hot mess, woo!
So combining that Mexi style with the bohemian style, I feel like it's just such a perfect match.
So what are we making today?
Okay, we are going to make a really fun pocketbook.
Oh, cute.
Made out of a piece of poster board.
No
a
way.
large piece of poster board.
Kathy, there's nothing I like more than a nice, clean, white piece of paper.
Yes. So much opportunity, right?
Yes.
First, we're going to take one sheet of this poster board and we're going to complete a series of folds.
Do you see how I'm just following? She's folding,
like
I'm following.
Super chill. I mean, I know there's probably a more refined way, but I just line it up. Now we're gonna open it.
Oh.
We're gonna fold it hamburger style.
Hot dogs, hamburgers, hustle your buns.
And then we're gonna fold this bottom part up like this.
Oh, I see what you're doing here.
Now we're gonna fold up the pockets like this. From there, we're going to snip at the peak of the fold in the center. And then this is the best part. You're gonna love this part.
Okay.
Okay, fold the 2 pages around so that it creates a book, and then like that.
Oh my gosh, it's magic!
And then run our fingers along the edges to make some sharp creases.
That's amazing.
Isn't that fun? See? And we're gonna Scotch tape the ends together so it stays nice and secure. This would be so fun, like for a girls' night out, and then you could put little affirmation notes and trade them with each other.
Everyone put them in a grab bag and everyone picks one
out. And then you could fill up your book with it.
Yeah.
After that, we're gonna use a glue stick and line it with scrapbook paper. Oh, I like this cactus one.
Desert
For
landscape.
Phoenix. So I'm just gonna roll this.
Is this time you feel like you're the second grader in class and you're doing really the easiest project ever and you're still cheating with your neighbor and you're like, how am I doing
What
this?
am I doing?
How much glue stick do you go through in your life?
I buy them by the 10 pack, and then we're going to trim all the edges with washi tape. And I love the text and the fonts because it just adds a little extra
Wow,
texture
look at
to
yours. Yours looks so much better than mine.
And then we're gonna add embellishments like pictures or gems or more washi tape just to give it some pop.
So I'm gonna add some string, I'm gonna add some bling, and then, and what are we calling this again?
It's just a pocketbook, like a folded pocketbook.
So it is just such a cute and wonderful, easy idea for everybody. Kathy, you're the best.
Thank you for having me. This has been so fun. I do have one question.
Oh, sure.
So I have 6 dozen mugs to paint. You guys want to all stay and help me paint mugs?
Yeah, that's next. Painting mugs.
Yeah.
Thanks so much to Kathy, the Crafty Chica. Now we all know how to make a folded pocketbook. And that is what Kathy is doing in her craft room. What are you doing in your craft room? I'll see you next time. Okay, I need to get busy and finish this. Hey, don't forget, happiness is handmade because when you have a pile of last week's newspapers taking over the countertop, Make a piñata.
Yes, great idea.
Have you ever made a piñata?
I've made lots of them. Sugar skulls, hearts, cactuses, Fritas. I'll show you how to make a piñata.